Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable smart activation schedule for a focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and in here tap on Focus. Then tap on a focus that you want to work with. Next, go down and tap on Smart Activation. Now in here, tap on Smart Activation toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, your phone will automatically turn work focus on at relevant times throughout the day based on signals like your location, app usage, and more. So this one will work with other focus as well. If you do not see the smart activation, then just simply tap on Add Schedule. So here, if I delete the smart activation, you can see there is no smart activation. So to have smart activation, simply tap on Add Schedule, then tap on Smart Activation, tap on the Add button, and that will add in the smart activation for that particular focus. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.